speaker, static noise, umbrella made of pixel toys, glitching through a neon lane, loading screens inside my brain,